Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C17 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on your screen right now. Once it is, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You have this little flasher on the borders and a pop-up with option that I cannot define what it was, so let's try it again. Okay, so this is a scrollable screenshot button, which is only accessible when there is content that you can scroll down on. As an example, settings. So I'm going to demonstrate it in here. Unfortunately, I started from the very bottom. There we go. So as you can see, it automatically starts scrolling down on its own, and you can tap on the screen to stop it. You can also drag it down yourself to be a little bit more precise. It shows you the resolution right here for a split second, and once you're satisfied, you can click on the check mark to save this longer version of a screenshot. Now additionally, there was another option above the screenshot with share option. Once you have captured your screenshots, you can find all of them in your Photos application, right over here. And in the Photos, we can navigate to Library. Which I guess it's gonna store screenshot and camera. Why? In any case, here we have our long screenshot, the not long screenshot, and the couple screenshots that I've captured previously. So there we go. Now, unfortunately, as you can obviously see, these screenshots will be kept under camera, which will get messy in the longer run, because they will be dropped in the same location where you would capture your normal photos. Typically, most devices create a new album called the screenshots, but this is not the case here. So if you're planning to find your screenshots down the line, you'll need to sift through all the normal photos and anything that I have basically saved on the device. In any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.